Hello, I'm Gayatri Bharadwaj and I was crowned Femina Miss India United Continents 2018. It's been 2 years to my coronation and today I'm just taking some time to go back to where I started my journey. So I was in college final year and I started looking up places where I can go train myself and become Miss India, because that was my biggest dream since I was a child. And the only person that came to my mind was Ritika ma'am, because she was all the girls that I had seen had participated in one and done really well and had set an example in the pageantry world were from Ritika ma'am's classes. So I was like, there is something. If I have to learn from anybody, it's going to be her. I remember contacting her, but for some reason her number didn't go through and it took a long time for me to get in touch with her. She's a busy woman, as you all know, and it's very prestigious to be a part of her coaching. So I was like, I have to make an impression, I have to get her to take me, and I really wanted to be a part of her classes. So this one time she picked up and I said, ma'am, hi, when can I come meet you, and how do we do this, how do we go ahead with this? And I remember she called me at 4 o'clock when already a batch was going on, and I went to meet her around, I think I reached at 3:50 itself, because I was like, I can't be late for this, oh my god. And I have a habit of being late to a lot of places, ma'am knows that. And so 10 minutes to 4 I reached, and I remember these girls were wearing these black cocktail dresses and they were, I think, doing their black cocktail dress round practice and Q&As. I don't know what exactly was going on, but I was so intimidated looking at them. I was like, oh my god, these girls are perfect, they're good looking, they're tall, they're beautiful, they're speaking well. I mean, there's going to be so much, and this is just in one class. There's going to be millions out there who are going to be participating. So I remember just sitting and waiting, wide-eyed, and then ma'am came and she spoke to me. And I don't know, just that one experience, just that first meeting, I knew that I'm going to go a long way with her and she's going to be by my side, because I just knew I had to be a part of these classes. And then she said, you have to lose some weight before you come. And she told me what all I needed to do, which was great, because you need somebody very honest with you when it comes to these advices. You can't have somebody who butters you up or who tells you all the nice things about you. You need somebody who's as brutally honest as Ritika ma'am, because she is. And trust me, that's to your benefit, because I can't even imagine if she had just told me that you're beautiful, you're this, you're that, and I would not have learned half the things that I did because of the criticism that I got in her classes. So after that, I remember joining the classes, bringing all the things that she'd asked for us to bring. And every single day, I felt like I was getting closer to my dream, because the videos that we watched in class, all the other experiences from which we learned, I would never have known those things. I would have just gone thinking that I would have had a different perception of Miss India in my mind, and the coaching changed that. Another thing that I'm really happy about is that it inculcated discipline in me, and it got me used to the hectic, strenuous hours, because ma'am makes sure that you get a little bit of a taste of what Miss India is going to be like. And the photo shoots are there. It's basically a mock Miss India. So when Miss India happened, when I got selected through the first round and the second and the final, I said, this is something I've done. This is all the same. Ma'am, today we did this, and I was constantly in touch with Ritika ma'am throughout my pageant journey. And she kept me grounded, she kept me closer to my goal. She said, don't engage in anything else but your goal. And thank you, ma'am, for having faith in me and for taking me the day I came on your door. And thank you for guiding me throughout my journey and being my guru and my confidant. And most importantly, I'm so sorry, my camera fell, but I'm going to continue talking. But most importantly, being such a good friend to me, because you heard me like a friend but guided me like a teacher. So thank you for all of that, ma'am. And you're doing a wonderful job even today with these young girls who are coming to you. And I hope they get to achieve all those dreams and get all those successes in life. It gives me goosebumps when I think about how far I've come from that time when I came to you. And it all started with you, ma'am. So thank you so much. My deepest and heartiest gratitude goes to you and Tiara and all that you've given me, ma'am. I'm getting emotional while I talk about this, but thank you. I just went back to all of my dreams that I came with, and thank you. I love you.